Welcome to the shop where I just picked up the QuadBoss Winch Accessory kit. Now this kit comes with an 8,000 pound snatch block. It comes with an 8 foot by 1 inch tree trunk protector. And it comes with the D-shackle. This is a 1/2 inch D-shackle. And it comes with a storage bag. Now, if you don't know what this kit is used for, if you've got a winch on your side by side, this right here can double the pulling power of your winch. Say you've got a 3,500 pound winch. When you use a snatch block, you can have 7,000 pounds of pulling power. Now, what you do is you take your winch rope, you run it through this roller, you take your winch line, you take your hook, you hook it back to your side by side or your foil or whatever you're in, and it splits the pulling load. Instead of the winch doing every bit of it, you've got 2 lines of pull there. And it kind of like, it gives your winch down. It gives you twice the pulling power. Now the tree trunk protector, you take this, you wrap this around your tree, like so. You take these 2 loops, take your D-ring apart, put your D-ring through the 2 ropes, put your winch line through your roller, take your snatch block, hook it into your D-ring. Then you got twice pulling power, plus you're not damaging the tree. It's not like, I don't recommend taking your rope, your winch rope, wrapping it around a tree and hooking it back to yourself, because you're going to damage that rope, plus you're going to damage the tree. Well, this here don't damage neither one of them. It protects them for you. Plus, like I say, it gives you twice pulling power. And sometimes when you're in gummy mud, you need a little more power than a 3,500 pound winch. You can step up to a 4,000 pound winch or a 5,000 pound winch. But this kit, you can do the same thing and it costs less money. This pouch here, you can stick it in your toolbox. It's got Velcro straps here. You can wrap this around a cage somewhere. It's got 4 of these straps, so you can mount it wherever you want to mount it. As you can see, every bit of that fits in the small section, and there's still room for more. And then I've still got this big section here. You can put whatever you want in here. Say you've got an air compressor, you've got tire plugs, you've got a tool kit. You can put whatever you want in there. But anyway, that's all there is to the QuadBoss Winch Accessory kit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trails.